In Allied Electronics 2, today we will start the fifth unit, cellular telephone communication system. So in this first topic, you will see about the history of mobile communication. So in this picture you can see the history of mobile communication starting from 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G as well as 5G. G represents the generation of the wireless technology. In 1980s, the first generation mobile phones has come. In 1990, second generation, 2000 third generation, 2010 fourth generation, and in 2020 comes the fifth generation. So initially only the voice call was made in the first 1G mobile phones, in 2G voice and SMS, in 3G voice, SMS and internet, in 4G voice, SMS, internet, cloud and streaming, in 5G from the mobile any device can be connected to it. So you can do the automation in using the mobiles. You will see all the generations one by one. 1G, this is the first generation of wireless telephone technology, mobile telecommunications, which was launched in Japan by NTT in 1979. The main technological development in this generation that distinguished the first generation mobile phones from the previous generation was the use of multiple cell sites and the ability to transfer calls from one site to the next site as user traveled between cells during a conversation. So during a travel of the user, second user, that is the person who is to be connected. So in his traveling also, the calls can be transferred from the one cell to another cell, one site to another site. So it uses analog signal. It allows only voice calls. So this is the image of the 1G mobile phones, and by seeing the image you can easily give the disadvantage also. So the disadvantages of 1G mobile phones are poor quality of voice, poor life of battery, size of phone was very large, no security, capacity was limited, poor handoff, reliability. Second version is 2G. This is the second generation of mobile telecommunication which was launched in Finland in 1991. It was based on GSM standard. GSM means Global System for Mobile Network. So it is the common standard used all over the world. So it will be having a device as well as a SIM card in it. It enables data transmission like text messaging, that is SMS, short message service, and they can transfer photos or pictures, that is MMS, multimedia messaging service, but they cannot transfer videos. The later version of this generation, which were called 2.5G using GPRS, that is General Packet Radio Service, and 2.75G using EDGE, Enhanced Data Rates for GSM evolution networks. It provides better quality and capacity. So this is how the 2G mobile phone looks. Now we will see the some of the disadvantage. Unable to handle complex data. So complex data means unable to handle the video message. Requires strong digital signal. The digital signal should be very strong. This is the third generation. So it is called 3G. It was introduced in early 2000. The transmission of data was increased up to 2 megabits per second, which allows you to sending or receiving large email messages. The main difference between 3G and 2G is the use of packet switching rather than circuit switching for data transmission. So here for data transmission the packet switching is used instead of circuit switching. faster communication and high speed web, and it is more secure. So video conferencing can be done and 3D gaming can be played. TV streaming, mobile TV, phone calls, etc. are the features of 3G. So these are the images of 3G mobile phones. If you see the disadvantages of 3G mobile phones when compared to 2G, it is costly, requirement of high bandwidth, expensive 3G phones. Size of cell phones was very large. So at present in India we are using this 4G technology. 4G is the fourth generation of mobile telecommunication which was appeared in 2010. It was based on LTE, long-term evolution, and LTE advanced standards. Offer a range of communication service like video calling, real-time language translation, and video voicemail. It was capable of providing 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps speed. So it has high quality of service and high security. The basic term used to describe 4G technology is called MAGIC, where M stands for mobile multimedia, A stands for anytime anywhere, G stands for global mobility support, I stands for integrated wireless solution, C stands for customized personal service. So all this can be done in this 4G technology. This is the image of 4G mobile phones. So it uses, if you see the disadvantages, it uses more battery, difficult to implement, expensive equipment is required. And next generation is the fifth generation. So in some countries it has been implemented. It is referred to as fifth generation wireless connection, which will be probably implemented in 2020 or even some years earlier. So in India it has not been still implemented. In mid of 2020 or end of 2020 it may be implemented. In other countries it has been implemented. So it gives machine to machine communication. 5G will be able to perform Internet of Things for smart home, smart city, connected cars, etc. So using 5G technology, all the devices, any devices can be connected to this mobile and it can be controlled. This generation will be based on low cost, low battery consumption and lower latency than 4G equipment. There will be much faster transmission rate of data to the previous version. Speed will be around 1 gigabits per second. So this is the image of the 5G mobile phones. So it is much slimmer and it is flexible. So from this image you can see what will be the features in this 5G mobile phone. Thank you.